This video is going to be all about the Songwriting Pyramid, what it is and why it's important, and how it can help you write professional hit songs. The Songwriting Pyramid is this framework that I've been working on to be able to help convey what is most important in a song. If you basically nail the fundamental aspects of a song, then your song will be able to go as far as possible. We do a terrible job at the foundation of our song, but then we do a great job at another part. Like, it's not going to work. It's just the edges are going to fall off, right, in our pyramid because we don't have that solid foundation holding everything up. So essentially, that's the analogy here that we're using. So the foundation, again, is the most important part. If we don't nail that foundation, then the next layer won't matter. Even if it's excellent, it's not going to matter. The Songwriting Pyramid, what's the foundation of our pyramid? The foundation of our pyramid is melody. So number one is melody. If we don't have a good, strong melody, nobody cares. You can have the best song, the best lyrics, the best arrangement, and if your melody sucks though, it's not going to go anywhere. I'm sorry. It doesn't matter how much more effort you put in anywhere else in the music production process. If your melody itself is not good, nobody cares. The most important thing to do is focus on the melody and creating an incredible melody. So a couple tricks that I have to do this is focusing on rhythm. So the rhythm of the melody is actually far, far more important than any pitch that you have. And so if you wanted to break it even further down, the rhythm of your melody would be the foundation of your mix. If that is solid, then all of a sudden you have much more potential in your song. Grouping those two things, pitch and rhythm together, the melody is the most important. The couple tricks that I have for you is one, focus on upbeats. Anything that is creating additional divisions within the rhythm of the song is actually going to be super catchy. So focus on upbeats, because normally if we have like a 4 on the floor type beat, but we're hitting those upbeats in between, then it's going to sound really catchy just inherently. And there's actually some scientific proof of why that is and why it releases dopamine in our brains, but I'm not going to get into that. Basically, you can take my word for it or just do your own research about why upbeats are super catchy. So if you're just not sure what to do with your melody, focus on hitting those upbeats and it's going to sound super catchy. Number two, the next layer of our pyramid here is vibe. And I'm using vibe as a proxy essentially for rhythm. Rhythm is really the key behind the melody, right? Because melody by itself doesn't really make sense. If I just, sing a hit song, it might be like, oh, that seems cool, but without a rhythm behind it, then it doesn't necessarily make sense. Even if it's just like a piano doing whole notes behind it, it contextualizes the beat or the rhythm behind the melody. So the vibe of the song, the rhythm of the song behind the arrangement of the rhythm behind the melody is so critical to accentuate the melody. So that's why you can have a killer melody, but you could basically kind of ruin your song from that point on by having a bad arrangement that doesn't really do the melody justice. Okay, so that's the second layer, right? The first layer is melody, second layer is rhythm, the next layer is lyrics. So if you don't have a compelling story, it's going to hamper the ability of your song to do well. However, I'm going to point out right now that you can have great hit songs that have terrible lyrics. It's completely possible. And because there's undeniable proof on the Billboard Top 100 that there are some songs with some really crappy lyrics out there that just happen to have a really catchy melody and also really great rhythm supporting that melody. So you could get by without very good lyrics if you truly wanted to. But the one thing that I would say is that even those songs that don't necessarily have really strong lyrics, they're not very creative, they're not very original, but if they make a story and they convey an emotion through it, then all of a sudden you have a hit song potential, right? So even if your lyrics aren't super strong, which granted, obviously better lyrics make a better song, and you're going to have more potential with better lyrics, but it's not the critical crux of the songwriting process that's going to make or break your song. That's what I'm saying. The very last point that I have here is arrangement. So arrangement is very similar to the other, layers that we've been adding. It's not going to make your song, but it will cut the feed out from under your song if you do it wrong. So essentially we have our melody, our vibe, our lyrics, and now we have our arrangement. Our arrangement is basically meant to convey the lyrical and melodic content of the song in the best way possible without getting in the way of the song. So we've all heard that song by that indie pop artist who decided, I'm going to make this section massive, and they put in every single instrument imaginable in this one section. I've done that in the past, and it's terrible because all of a sudden it just steals everything away from the melody and the point of the song. Granted, there is a time and a place to do that, but it's not very often. And most people are going to be overdoing this and hamper the potential of your song well before you even hit the recording phase, let alone mixing or mastering. That's completely out of the question if you've ruined your song in the arrangement phase. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Did I miss anything that you think is critical to have a hit song? If you want to find out how the team and I at Night Owl Music Group are able to take artists from nothing, no traction, or struggling to 100,000 streams on your very next release, then click the button right below. I have a quick video explaining exactly how we do that. And it has to do, I'll let you in on the secret. It has to do with songwriting itself and helping artists bring out their best potential through the songwriting process. So click that link right below this video if you're interested in that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.